And some of you don't know, it was Nancy's birthday on Friday.
Yeah. I had a great birthday.
Samantha says, we need these colors for Robin to do mine.
Ha!
You can buy the sets available online now. It's called the Beach House.
It's called Vicky like, what's called the visual? It's beautiful. Thank you so much, everyone, for participating. I'm so excited. So how much would you charge this set just by itself? At
This
the salon?
set, my base set starts at $85. Extra length is another $20, so you're at $105. Coffin shape is another $20, so $125. Ombre is another $20, so $145. Just right here. So $145. But sorry, I forgot my credit card.
It's okay, you can Zelle me.
I can sell you.
I take cash out.
My phone is not working.
It's okay. I have my phone, you can log in. It's secure, you can log out. I take cash out too. Venmo.
Cash App, Venmo.
Venmo.
I take anything you got. PayPal.
PayPal. We have
Square.
Square too. If your clients will say somewhere, I forgot. And then Apple Pay too.
Oh yeah, Apple Pay. Just tap.
Tap
for your money.
using even I forgot your phone, but you have Apple Watch. I saw you have an Apple Watch.
I do. There's no service on it.
It's okay. I have Wi-Fi.
How about I pack orders? Can I pack orders? It's like doing the dishes. Am I still in frame? I can't tell. Yeah.
So here I want to show you on keep the file is like a 90-degree on like along with the surface of the nail. So hopefully I explained it right.
Yeah, on the
so
edges,
keep
just like
yeah
that.
on the edges. So then it so it's not cutting into the edges of the nails, but also it is the techniques that it keep all the bulks away, and you can keep filing them, but without just like making on the edges is really thin and.
Because otherwise what you see, some people when they do a coffin nail, if you don't hold the file correctly, you'll see it's almost like a bubble, like where the free edge starts. It like bows out because there's bulk right there. So you hold it straight up and down and it takes that bubble out.
And then it's really easy, like you can see that I just shaped it. It's just not like much of.
And what are you using? 100 or
180?
You're using the
100 and 180.
Yeah. I love these files. You guys, these files, you can put pressure on them. They don't crack. They flex. And then they've got the curve on the back, so when you're going along the cuticle, it's not straight and it cuts your customer or yourself if you're doing your own. And you get 2 every month in your subscription box.
Yes. How many did you stock up already? You probably have
I
good.
have a stack of 150 out there right now.
But then you have from your sub box as well.
Oh gosh, yeah.
So then you leave it at home doing your own nails.
Yeah, that's when I get back
And
to
then
doing
gunner?
lives.
And gunner nails.
Gutters nails. Yeah, we're gonna bling them out with some ombre gel polish.
Put him some what colors?
He goes to the groomer. I was supposed to go to the groomer the other day, but I came here, so he looks terrible. I had to give him my haircut for him.
Might have to
And I'm not good.
DIYs for him.
His poor toenails. He can't clip them.
So if you're doing this, it doesn't take much of a time at all. But this do all the work for you. The file basically do all the work for you with the widers, like, on the surface, and then have it like shape the shape of the nails, the structure of the nails so much better.
Do you see it?
Next to your bed.
I love them.
Oh my God, Samantha. What did Samantha say?
She says, one in my purse, my desk, at work, next to my bed. I have one in my car, too.
Are you talking about the cork?
About the nail files.
Oh.
I do. I have them everywhere, too. Well, and I give them, I use a new file for every customer, of course, so then I give them to them. And then I ask them, I said, do you want your file? And I'm like, no, I already have so many. Like,
Same with my client.
I'm like, you know what? It doesn't hurt to have another one.
You know, it's cool though. If you do that and you don't want to just like collecting, put in big jars and collect and see how many times that you go into the nails appointments.
Yeah, kind of like your wine cork, except for
Yeah.
that you do nail files.
Did you do with a nail file and see how many that you're going? And if your nail tech were not good to you, and then just bring a whole jars in there and tell her that how good and how loyal you are. That's cool though, huh? That's really good. You can do that.
They last. They're so good.
You can use that. Well, if the clients they can use that.
I feel bad throwing them away after just one time. So
But you have to.
Well, no, but I give them to my customers, and then when they don't want them, I feel so bad.
So now I'm not sure. It's depend on a lot of different state. The regulation might be different. Make sure that you give it to the clients, and you're not going to reusing them when they bring it back. Okay?
No, I can't reuse them in my
So
state.
Even the clients will bring it to you.
Yeah, no, I
you
can't
should
do it.
not using any of their tools bringing.
In my states, you can't even, if they bring their own tools, you can't use them because they have to be sanitized again before I can use them on them. I'm like, sorry, mine are already clean. I'm not going to sit there. Luckily, I have long-time clients, so they don't do that.
Yeah. Just in case, like some clients was being like, "Oh, I don't like the shape. Let me shape it for you." And no.
No. Go home and do your own nails then.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do it from the centers. I'm gonna file it down, like downward. What if I file too much and taking your green away? You're gonna sit here and crying.
I will cry.
But if you make a deposit, then I'll give you.
Here, I'll sell you right now.
So you're gonna sell you. You said I'm selling right now.
If only I could make the cash. Which one is it? The Venmo cash register sound.
It's so excited. I'm so excited to see everyone today. Just hope everyone have a great Monday. Was really working hard and busy with like prepare for the shows. You're gonna see us in ABS Chicago coming next month. You're gonna be able to see our post coming really soon. We just getting finalized with a lot of process for the show. You know it's a lot of things that behind the scene, but we don't want you to have to worry about behind the scene. We want you to enjoy the good part. Skip to the good part.
Yes. Yeah, even though Nancy's working now, this is not as hard as she had to work all day today.
Oh yeah, like non-stop.
This is the easy part.
Get to do enjoy the nails. Doing the nails for my bestie. Thank you for coming for helping me out. So you enjoy the Pensacola now so far?
I always like Pensacola. This back home is getting a little bit of snow. Nothing that's gonna stick.
Oh, she gets snows in Michigan.
Just a
Drop
little
the temperature of where you are at. Sammy, I know in Seattle it's cold right now, right, Sammy?